Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have working for me so well in my pool right now is the Funmit vacuum replacement parts. Let me tell you about it. So this came with the Finned seal disc skirt, the pool cleaner diaphragm, and the foot pad, and this worked perfect to replace our Zodiac Baracuda parts. I noticed our vacuum was making some weird noises. After investigating, we found that the diaphragm was damaged. I went searching and found these replacement parts. As you can see, we simply took the vacuum out of the pool, attached the parts as shown from the online pictures of how to do it, and the whole process took about 10 minutes at most, and it immediately started working perfectly again when we put it back in the water. What I noticed the most was the parts are very good quality, very affordable, and this allowed us to fix the vacuum rather than replace it, which would have been much more expensive to do that. The company does suggest measuring the dimensions of your machine to ensure that the products are a right fit, but overall, we are really happy with being able to get these replacement parts, and I would highly recommend, if you are having similar issues, to just go ahead and get these and try to fix it yourself. And now my pool is perfectly clean and sparkling for the summertime. And that is my point of view.